Assalamu alaikum learners, welcome back to the second lesson of science, and today I have got something more interesting for you about plants. Today's topic is growing plants, and in this topic we are going to learn about tuber. Have you ever heard this word before? If not, then I'm going to explain you and you will really enjoy to learn about it. Let's go. What we will learn in this lesson is we will explore the characteristics of tubers and describe how a tuber is different from a bulb. Now, let's have a look at the keywords. Number one, we have tuber. Number two, buds. And number three, eyes. Let's brainstorm different ways to grow a plant. To plant a seed, you need, of course, a seed. Then, to plant a bulb, you need a bulb, just like this. You can see here a garlic bulb. To plant a spore, you need spores. And to plant tuber, you need tuber. So let's proceed to the next slide and see what are tuber. Here, learners, you can refer to your science book, page number 9. These are some flowers that grow from tubers. Have you ever seen this plant, this flower? Have you ever heard the word tuber before? If not, don't worry. Let me explain you. Plants can grow from a tuber. A tuber stores food to help a plant grow in the same way as a bulb. So, we have seen in our earlier lessons that plants grow from bulbs like onion and tulips and many more. Here are some plants that grow from tubers. Tubers are special kinds of roots. They grow down in the ground. They are connected together. They look like potatoes, but usually all of them are not potatoes. This flower is called dahlias. Dahlias are flowers that grow from tubers. So tubers are usually down inside the soil. You do not see them. All you can see the plant outside and their flowers outside. Look at the pictures here. We have pictures of sweet potato. Sweet potatoes grow from tubers. Actually, they are tubers, yes. They do not grow from tubers. They are themselves a tuber, yes. Sweet potatoes are the roots. In easy words, if I explain you, they are the roots that we eat. So they grow down in the ground. You can also grow a tuber in the water. You can see in the picture how the sweet potato is put in the water and it grows more hairy roots and stem and leaf starts growing upwards. Yes, so these another picture shows lots of sweet potatoes growing under the ground in the soil. These are tubers. So potatoes or sweet potatoes that we eat are tubers. They are roots of the plants. Let's have a look at this one. The main parts of tuber. These are the leaves, roots, stem, and tuber. Now you can see, learners, where do tubers grow? They grow down in the ground. They are parts of roots. So unlike other plants that grow from seeds, these plants, they do not make seeds. They make tuber. Before a plant dies, it makes enough tuber for more plant to grow from the other tubers. Here, these are some of the parts of tuber. Eye with sprout, and then another eye. You often have seen in your kitchen, your mommy might show you some potatoes. If they are left for so long, the color changes and you can see some eyes sprouting out. Some plants that grow from tuber are as such: potatoes, caladium, and The list goes on. Here is some activity for you. Cut a sweet potato or a potato. You can take either and cut it into half and look at the difference. Compare it with the bulb which you cut earlier and see what can you find. What are the similarities or differences between the two? Here, pick your card and answer. And last one, let's join each other on quizzes and have some fun learning. Take care and I will see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.